In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free Notion forms with Fillout. We'll build a simple workflow that collects information through a clean form and drops every response directly into Notion, so you can organize, filter, and share it with your team. First, set up a home for your data in Notion. Create a database dedicated to responses. Many people call it form submissions. Add the properties you plan to collect, like name, email, and anything unique to your use case, such as project type, budget, or a follow-up date. Match property types to the kind of data you expect. For example, use email for email addresses, number for amounts, and multi-select for categories. This makes sorting and reporting smooth later on. Make sure you have permission to add pages to this database, so responses can be saved. Next, head to the Fillout dashboard and create a new form by choosing Connect to Notion. Fillout is designed to work hand-in-hand with Notion, so this option ensures responses are automatically routed into the database you just made. When prompted, authorize Fillout to access your Notion workspace. Then select the database from Step 1. Fillout will scan your properties and prepare the mapping, so each form field corresponds to a column in Notion. If you renamed anything or added extra properties, you can choose which ones to include. Clear labels and helpful descriptions here will save you questions from respondents later. If a property isn't needed, hide or delete the corresponding field in Fillout and reorder fields to create a natural flow. Now design your form. Drag and drop questions and pick from a variety of field types: short text, long text, email, number, date, and more. Fillout mirrors your Notion columns so the connection stays reliable. Tweak placeholders, set fields as required if they're critical, and add basic validation for cleaner data. Keep the layout simple and group related questions to reduce friction and improve completion rates. You can also adjust branding, colors, and spacing, and set a custom confirmation screen or message that tells people what happens next. When everything looks right, click Publish. You'll get a shareable link you can post anywhere. To embed the form inside Notion, copy that link. Return to your Notion page, type /embed, and paste the link. Resize the embed block to fit your page and consider switching the page to full width for extra breathing room. On public pages, the embed is instantly accessible. On private pages, only your workspace members will see it. From now on, every submission lands as a new row in your database, ready for views, filters, and automations. That's it. Your free Notion form with Fillout is live and connected. Thanks for watching.